Hakim, the Director of Executive Cost, and Honorable Mr. Adil, the Supervisor of Executive, and the Spectacle for the Bali Army, the Chief of Activity, and all matters to my Lord. Firstly, thanks and praise to Allah SWT who has given us blessing and blessing. Secondly, salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. God, always God for the darkness to the darkness. Thirdly, I don't forget to say thank you very much for the master of ceremony, was giving me time for the message in front of you all. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arif Fala. You can call me Fala. And I'm from my class. I'm studying here, having to learn of you all about my speech. My title is my experience. Guys, can I ask you something? Do you have experience, guys? Yes. And what experience do you remember? Sad or happy? Happy. Yeah. Experience is everything. We have gone talk or feel life. Whether it is something pleasure or unpleasure. Don't forget guys, experience is the best teacher in life. Experience is our opinion and gratitude. Experience help us become more wiser or making decisions or anything else. Experience can come from what we see, what we feel, or what we do. Experience can happen at any time. For example, when we study, when we learn, when we play, or when we playing, working, or when we traveling. Can I tell about my experiences? Yes. My experience when I was past present tournament football in Man City. Before become tournament was taught, my coach told me, you must be able to keeper, right? And I was shocked. I will be able to keeper, coach. Yes, you will be able to keeper for your team. And I said, wow, this is interesting, right? Because this new experience and new position in football. But when I be able to keeper, it's not easy. I saw many violent mistakes about this. But my friend always give me support and believe that I can do it. And they said, never be afraid to be step out for your comfort zone. Because God's always with you, and we are always with me. And the second experience when I was joining the selection to be a professional football player in the city. In there I met so many people from another city and another area. I was tried, but God left another plan. I failed the selection, and I failed the selection. I go back to my home and I said for my parents, and they said it's not problem. This is God. It's not problem. It is your presbyterian. You must didn't decide. And I will give you about example about experience. Yes. When we fight, we need to be strong, more better. When we be happy, we need to be appreciate what we have. When we be sad, we need to be strong, more better, and try again. Yes, I think enough about my speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.